Good afternoon, everybody. And the today topic is a magnesium group, one of the most interesting group that we learn today. Very few homeopaths are using in a routine practice. We are very much aware of other groups like Calcarea, Natrum, Kali, Beraita, many other common groups. We have seen their prescription in the routine practice. So now magnesium, still literature says that it requires more proving, it requires more understanding. Stalwarts, all stalwarts, Kent, Farrington, many other Herrings, many other stalwarts, they have written in their books that this group requires more deep understanding. We many time confuse with our common group like Calcarea, Aurum, Kali. Difficult to differentiate. So today I'm sure definitely you will get an idea after learning this session when the magnesium should give and to differentiate with other group. Let us commonly use remedies. Magnesium carbonicum, magnesium muriaticum, magnesium phosphoricum, magnesium sulfuricum. These are the common. Still magnesium iodatum is there. But among this group, maximum we use carbonicum, muriaticum and phosphoricum and sometimes sulfuricum. Now what type of constitution they have? They are stout and fair, flabby. Skin is pale, puffy, oily and waxy with slow healing and scar formation. Premature loose skin hangs down with a lax fiber. So surely you will be confused with the other common group like Calcarea. Physically, this group more on the right-sided affection. Chili patient accept magnesium iodatum and periodicity of complaints is there. They generally love vegetables, meat and refreshing things. They don't like cooked food, sweets, fatty food, and the important is milk is intolerable. Very important in magnesium that we have today. Discharges are sour, profuse, and offensive. Stool green, watery with mucus. The important menses of magnesium group. Very dark, blood, tard-like, and with many complaints excited or aggravated in menses. I've seen many females. The mental state aggravated during menses or excited. Even the physical complaints also, we will see in the cases also. Some of lady have always aggravation. Their throat complaint, nose complaint, or any other complaint during menses time or prior to menses also. Magnesium group have an affinity to nervous system, peripheral paralysis, and affections of muscles, excitability, neuralgic pains are present. And that is why we all know magnesium phos, we generally give any type of neuralgic pains. Even in a spasmodic pain, dysmenorrhea, very commonly we prescribe magnesium phos. Even in a biochemic also 6x, very frequently. But neuralgic, facial neuralgia, there are many medicines, but it has a definitely action on nervous system. And that is why very useful in neuralgic. Poor resistance, lack of vital heat, and increased susceptibility, which leads to allergic manifestations. For example, urticaria, eosinophilia, asthma. And the pains, as already we discussed, darting, tearing, boring, shooting. Practically all type of neuralgias that we can prescribe. And in allergic conditions, eosinophilia, asthma. When the symptoms matches, totality matches, you can prescribe. More physical symptoms, spasmodic, antispasmodic character, useful in abdominal colic, renal colic, biliary colic. And there is a tendency of new growth like tumors and warts. And sleep unrefreshed, more tired. Magnesium group mainly sodic, similar to calcareum, but it covers all the measures. And the general modalities, aggravation by cold touch, 7 a.m. right side in motion. Better by warm application, pressure and bending double. These all very commonly we have discussed. You all may be aware of the physical generals and particulars. Now the mind of common magnesium group. Very interesting. A mental condition arising from lack of love, affection, and recognition, especially in childhood. They may have a rejected feeling, they may have orphan feelings. We have come across many times toward patients when we ask about the childhood history, life situation. They generally mention that I did not get love and affection from my parents. There are many reasons for that. Maybe they were not staying together. There are difference of opinion, long-standing dominations of parents, the child. They get love and affection, but sometimes they are not getting recognition. They are not considering as a family member. Oh, you are very small, you don't know anything, you don't have experience in this field. So their suggestion, their opinion will not be considered even they are able to give their opinions. Or they are not giving a priority. If the 2 or 3 daughters and the one boy in the family, then the one boy is given a more respect, more affection, and more freedom compared to the girls. That time, the girls, daughters, may feel rejected, or the fourth child or third child, the two daughters, the third child will be also the daughter, then they feel it's unwanted. So, due to rejection, there is a greater than usual frustration as the demands are not fulfilled. Greater than the usual frustration, the frustration everybody have in their life, the frustration of so many things. If you are not getting success in your field, you are not giving importance, you are not getting recognitions. So here, the frustration, rejections, and because they are not getting recognition, not getting affection from their parents, they feel rejected. So it's more than usual frustration when the demands are not fulfilled. That is very, very important in magnesium. So you should ask, when you take the history, how was your childhood? We generally ask how your parents get along. Your parents are love marriage, your parents are arranged marriage, or parents are forced to marry each other. And then after how the development is taken place. From that history, gradually patient will open up and the patient will tell. Otherwise, nobody will tell. Unless the patient is frustrated a lot and there's no relation with parents since many years. Sometimes patients say, I had one patient who was a chemical engineer who has a stepmother and told that I did not get love and affection from my mother as well as my father. So very few people will immediately share in a first consultation. So there is a need for support, independence, and a desire for security. Need for support, independence, and desire for security. Magnesium many times feeling of an orphan. They need support, dependency, and security. Emotional insecurity at their core, but the cause of insecurity is different. In magnesium, insecurity, which is because of being unprotected or uncared for him in a childhood. चाइल्डहुड में केयर ही नहीं मिला, पेरेंट्स से प्यार ही नहीं दिया, प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दिया, सिक्योरिटी नहीं दिया, जो करना है वो करो, वी आर नॉट बॉदर्ड. Calcarea is also insecurity because of overprotected. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे कुछ करने ही नहीं दिया, इतना प्रोटेक्ट किया, इतना प्रोटेक्ट किया, आज मुझे कुछ आता है, बैंक में जाना भी मुझे नहीं सिखाया. इतनी छोटी छोटी बात है, क्रॉस करना, रोड क्रॉस करना भी नहीं सिखाया. I had one patient of 18 years old boy who told me that I am so much protected by my parents, they are not allowing to cross road. Can you imagine? To cross road at the age of 18 years, the child or means boy has no confidence. They were not allowing to drive also scooter or a car, anything. So this is the difference between the insecurity of magnesium and insecurity of calcarea. Calcarea is overprotected, and here is a. So after 10 minutes, the session will be over. So again, you have to rejoin. That notice came. So it automatically stop, and then again you have to rejoin. So difference between magnesium and calcarea. Now, as we already discussed, they need love, they need affection, they need security and recognition. Please take it this way. This is very important. As a demand not fulfilled, whether they are not getting love, whether they are not getting affection, there is no security or no recognition, then there is a rejection feeling in them. Any of one, or any two also, or any three also, or all together also. You don't know. They require love. Everybody requires love, affection, security, and recognition in childhood. When they are not getting, definitely they feel rejected. And that rejected feeling is so strong, so strong. There is a conflict going in their mind. Ultimately, the conflicts continues in their mind, and then that causes emotional insecurity plus anxiety. Then they have a certain fixed ideas, means delusion. Oh, my father is not right, my mother is not good. I don't have a love and affection. And that reflects in a dreams of robbers, dreams of that, dreams of being lost in forest. I hope you understood. This is the very, very important in a magnesium. Then that neglected feeling with suppressed emotions causes irritability. We have seen many children, they were doing very well up to the 5th standard, 6th standard. As the age advance, they are losing the grades in their educations in the class. In the 1st to 6th standard, they used to get 95%, and then now gradually declining their rank because the feeling of neglected. Now they understand. So my parents have no time. They are not giving me importance. So this all things together causes suppressed emotions and that irritability and the mental weakness and lethargy. So magnesium hates aggression. They get very much disturbed by violence. You have seen in many movies, the child is watching when the parents are quarreling in front of him. Cannot see. They hide the face. They hate quarrels as a quarrels tends to break relationship which they cannot bear. Which they cannot bear. They don't like quarreling. They don't like when the parents are fighting, or even the school also. And anybody is fighting, they don't like. So magnesium is indicated in a psychosomatic disease where somatic symptoms are easily seen and psychological symptoms are difficult to accept and not given by the patient. Who will tell immediately in a first consultation that my parents are fighting? If the patient is a boy of 15 or 16 years old. If the patient is of 30 years, 40 years, definitely they can speak out easily. Otherwise, they will feel shy. They don't like to share. So many times, magnesium patients' emotions are such that the patient himself, unaware of his emotions, they are not able to point out these things is really affecting my mental peace when my parents are fighting each other or they are not get along very well each other. They can see there is a difference of opinion between the parents. The mother says something and the father says something, or they have no coordination. They can see, but they cannot express very well to us when the boy is your patient. If your adult is your patient, definitely they can tell you. But here the boy is also confused or not able to find out the exact what is really hurting him. So they feel internal anxiety and could not explain by the patient. Their history of being neglected, that parents creates a feeling of being unwanted, though they are self-confident. Feeling of unwanted is there, even though they are confident. They have a strong sense of duty, taking care of everyone. That is there. The feeling of being forsaken is very, very strong in for magnesium. You can see the rubric. You will understand after. The patient feels tremendous anxiety, but he does not know the real cause. When the patient is a boy,
ವರ್ಷದ
young boy,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಡ್ದ
I'm requesting to all of you, please mute your microphone. So patient feels tremendous anxiety, but he does not know the real cause. So many times you are asking, but they will not able to find out. That does not mean they don't want to tell you, but they are not able to find out the exact cause. So anxiety manifests as a physical symptoms and the pathological disease come up for no obvious reason. Patient can sit with composed and honestly say that they have no tension. They tell to us they have no tension, but actually they are not able to find out exact cause of anxiety or insecurity. Very difficult for them. So the dreams may give the clue for magnesium. Absence of dreams in life is advanced pathological disorders with 4-second feeling. Absence of dreams in life. There is no dream, that is an advanced pathological disorder. With 4-second feeling is strong is that. And dreams as if they are dangerous situation. But no feeling of danger with strong feeling of loneliness. Strong feeling of loneliness. So when the patient comes to us and the absence of dream with a suppressed emotion, with the insecurity, with a strong 4-second feeling can be the advanced pathology in a magnesium. Also, as if there are dangerous situation, dream as if there are dangerous situation, but no feeling of danger, with a strong feeling of loneliness. So these are the very important mental of magnesium group. We had discussed previously the physical generals and particulars. Milk is intolerable, right-sided more, generally all chili except magnesium iodide. Then the mental, all general mentals, there is a lack of love, affections, security, recognition, and that really create the problems in them. They are not able to find out the exact reason. They will not tell you in the first meeting about their suppressed emotions. Then they convert into dreams in the forest or robbers there, and then absence of dreams with a strong 4-second feeling. So we had discussed physical general particulars and the mentals of magnesium group. Now we will discuss magnesium phosphoricum. We all are aware of this remedy very well. Maximum I am also using. When you have a magnesium mentals, you have a little phosphorus constitution and the neuralgic problems are more. You can prescribe magnesium phosphorus in a potencies. Many doctors are using magnesium phosphorus in biochemic. I am also using 6x frequently whenever dysmenorrhea is there, antispasmodic, but constitutionally also. Generally, we use in all type of pains, sharp cutting, stitching, lightening, coming and going like same like belladonna, paroxysmal spasmodic or cramp substance with a clean tuck as if around body. Colic with a flatulent forcing to bend to double and by heat, rubbing hard pressure like colocynth and plumbum. We all know plumbum and colocynth. Aggravation from cold air, cold washing, bathing in motion. Touch, better by bending double with warmth and pressure. These all the second, third year students symptomatology. We all aware. So prescribe on this totality whenever you have a acute neuralgic patients. Frequent doses to relieve the patient as early as possible. We have a rubric for that. Abdomen pain, bending double emulsion, McFoss is there. Must bend double is also McFoss is there. And cramping is also there. So this is a common general indication of McFoss. I don't have that much experience in a McFoss as a constitution prescription. We use on this indication in an acute neuralgia or in a chronic with a 30 potency or biochemic. But constitutionally on the mind symptoms, not much experience in magnesium phosphoricum. Right? Now, a case I would like to share with you. A case of anorexia, difficulty in study and sleeplessness. A boy of 15 years old who has a difficulty in concentration and study, not getting sleep, and with anorexia. On detailed history, I came to know that parents had a love marriage, but they were fighting all the time. And once mother left him and father. He was not appreciated for his activity like art, crafts, or sports, etc. On the contrary, was reprimanded for not getting good marks in exams. They are more concerned about the result, performance academically, and always feeling of neglected and not getting parents' love. Here I am not going to explain the whole case, but the essence are very important that we already discussed. So the rubrics or the maximum feeling we can understand from this history, delusion forsakern is. There are argentum nitricum pulsatilla is also there. But McCabe is also equally 3 months. So that boy was much better with the McCabe prescription. We started with the 200 potency, and then we end up with a 1 m potency in the infrequent doses. Now, what we have to learn in McCarbonic? Remedy for the children of quarreling or divorced parents. That does not mean that those who are parents are quarreling, all children are required MECCA. But this is the one of the cause, one of the indication of MECCA that you have to keep in your mind. And you have to differentiate with the other totality. You cannot blindly, or difference of opinion in the parents are very commonly we have seen. Hardly the parents are there where they don't have a difference of opinion. Then they are unique parents. So MECCA feeling that is not appreciated. Not appreciated. आपको तो दूसरे के बच्चे ही अच्छे लगते हैं, आप कभी मुझे अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते हो. मेरी जो स्मार्टनेस है, मेरा जो परफॉर्मेंस है, all the time comparing and all the time telling that you don't know anything, you are not that much competent enough, and they don't have a time because of the difference of opinion they themselves. They remain all the time in a tense and an irritable mood, and that irritability they are showing to their parents a form of domination. So the domination long time, MECCA, MEGMUR. See the rubric, ailments from domination, MECCA, MEGMUR, Ignatia and Staphysagria. So magnesium, both the magnesiums are coming. You should not prescribe all the time Staphysagria. This also you have to check. The feeling of insecurity leads to hyperactivity, aggression, sourness, and oversensitive. That shows the problem child. Parents say that my child is very problematic. They remain all the time hyper, aggressions are always there, and then oversensitive. That because of their domination for a long time. This makes to understand why MECCA children are so aggressive. They have to be recognized, self-worth and acceptance. If this does not happen, they will show their presence in another way. You must have seen the child is not recognized in the family. If you will not ask them, if you go and visit them, and if you will not ask them, if they are doing regular basis, all the family members are not attending the child, then they show their self-worth by temper tantrum, aggression. So the people will see them. Attention they require when they are not getting recognition. So the carbonicum really needs recognition. How to differentiate these two remedy? We have seen the long domination or the children of quarreling or divorced parents choice of remedy, macabre and macmure, but you have to differentiate. This is the most important, or we are facing difficulty. To be frank, even after the practice of so many years, sometimes you will miss, sometimes you will give wrong prescription. So macabre is much more of respect. Feeling as is not appreciated. आप तो मुझे कुछ अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं कर रहे हो, मेरे कुछ खुद के गुण है जो आपको अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए, जो आप कर ही नहीं रहे हो और मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा है appreciation. So he might feel that his parents do not think he is worth anything, so they would easily leave. While in macmure, strong fear of lose the support. They are very afraid that the quarrels will lead to it, that they will not be nurtured and care for any more. आप पूरे दिन झगड़ा कर रहे हो तो मेरी क्या केयर करोगे? मुझे कौन पढ़ाएगा? मुझे कौन बड़ा करेगा? मुझे कौन अच्छी तालीम देगा? आपके पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है, आप अपने में ही पड़े हो. So this strong feeling, here recognition and here support, both are different but both have a same situation. The expressions are different in a macabre and macmure. So these things sometimes we miss or we will not able to understand. The physician state during case taking, if you are not attentive, if you will not catch expression, you will miss this. That is why we have to be very attentive when the patient, because this situation or these symptoms will not tell again and again by patient. We have to sometimes very keen observe. So useful in children who get behind at school on account of problems with writing and reading. पहले बच्चा बहुत ही अच्छा पढ़ाई कर रहा था, बहुत ही अच्छे ग्रेड ला रहा था, ग्रेजुअली डिक्लाइन हो रहा है. क्यों भाई? There are many reasons that we know, but the other reasons is totally domination, not getting love, not getting recognition, and the parents have no time because they have their own issues. Then it became absent-minded while writing and dullness while writing, inability to read. कितना भी मैं सोच रहा हूँ, पेशेंट बताएगा सर मैं इतना भी सोच रहा हूँ, इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, मैं फोकस ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आगे पढ़ ही नहीं रहा हूँ. मेरे दिमाग में वही पिक्चर आ रहा है कि अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स अभी आए हैं, अगर अभी उनका चलेगा. यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन अ मूवी आल्सो, उनका अभी आर्गुमेंट्स चालू हो जाएगा. So now adult macabre. They are very sensitive to quarrels. The peacemakers, they don't like fighting. Very independent. Seems as if they do not need care from others and themselves are very caring. Seems contented and self-satisfied. अगर आप बाहर से देखोगे तो आपको ऐसा ही लगे बहुत ही contented और self-satisfied ही है, मगर no deep emotional contact. किसी के साथ emotional contact नहीं रखेंगे. Only superficial contact and friendship because they had a very tough time in childhood. That's all. They appear reserved, repulsive mode. So here you will definitely confuse with the natrum. They have many fears: fear of accident, fear of death, fear of misfortune, and the constant fear that something will happen. That constant fear in their mind. कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो होगा, कुछ खराब होगा. They are very absent-minded while writing, restless, driving him out of bed, shrieking during sleep, and weeping during pregnancy. This weeping during pregnancy because of the neglected feeling of forsaken during pregnancy. We have a pulsatilla is also there. Argentum is also there. General it is in a makeup. Ailment from excessive cares and worries. A lot of worries and anxiety. Nibbling appetite. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खाएंगे. Craving for meat, fruits, acids, vegetables. The aversion to vegetables. And sleep frequent violent yawning. थोड़ी थोड़ी नींद चाहिए और yawning बहुत आता रहेगा. Inclination go to sleep during daytime. Daytime में भी सोना. I use MECAB in females who have a tendency of sore throat and coryza before menses appears. मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि अभी menses आने वाला है. Menses के 2-3 दिन पहले ही throat और coryza उनको खुद को मालूम पड़ जाएगा. Also, the menses late and scanty. The most important indication. Sometimes we are not able to differentiate with the other remedy on an emotional background. You take the physical, general, and particulars and differentiate. So very easy. Flow only in sleep, more profuse at night or lying down, and ceases when walking. रात को जैसे ही सोती हूँ इतना फ्लो हो रहा है सर, और सुबह में चलती हूँ तब बंद हो जाता. Ammonium creosote an opposite of lilium pig. Acrid dark pitch like difficult to wash off. Adorenum is also very difficult to wash off. So we have a rubric. Sometimes it's difficult to find a rubric of the material symptoms. But that's why I am also sharing this so you can confirm with our repertory. Difficult to wash off is also makeup. And this is very well. Children, whole body smells sour and disposed to boils. Very important. Boils and the body is sour. Diarrhea, stool green, watery, frothy like a frog. Ponds come. Here you have to differentiate with the other children remedies. Diarrhea remedy particularly. We have this MECAB is a colic pain with a green watery frothy like a frog ponds. Bloody mucus with stools and milk passes undigested in a nursing children and sour with tinnitus. While calcarea fos, diarrhea with flatulency causes by juicy fruits after vexation, and headaches of the schoolgirl during dentition, offensive pus with stool green, loose lining and soft pass with difficulty. Even the soft stool also pass with difficulty. When podophyllum, stool long standing in early morning, even more during dentition, same in the calcarea fos as well as podo. Hot in chicks while bath or wash in a hot room. After exercise, morning painless diarrhea is important and green watery fatigue. Milk passes undigested in a nursing children. Again, the magnesium, mure, and carb is. Constipation after mental shock or severe nervous strain. If anybody died and a shock and then after constipated, you can give this one. Right? Makeup Here, similar to colocynth in that has a gripping colicky pains and doubling channel, but distinguished from the remedy by green slimy stool, which we not have it. Green slimy stool. Again, compare with the rheum. Here, the resemblance lies in the sour, both are sour. Slimy stool. Mactab is a deeper acting remedy of deeper acting. Chamomilla again resembles with Macab. Irritabilities have both have, right? That mental is there, anxiety is there, restlessness are prominent. But chamomilla, there is a yellowish greenish tool looking like a chopped axe. Both the remedies have relief from moving about, and both have a gripping pains before stools, and both have a irregularity in feeding as a cause of. Quite resemble. Also similar to Calcarea carbonicum. Both have a sour stool, rejection of the milk, and imperfect nutrition of the body. Calcarea, however, may readily be distinguished from the other by the sweat on head, face, and scalp, by the damp, cold feet, and by the enlargement of that trunk. Because both have an insecurity, we had already discussed also. But there is a overprotected and more is one not taken care or recognized. So that you may not get sometimes. Then you have to differentiate. Now we come to magnesium muriaticum. Another very important remedy. Now this remedy also we use for children of quarreling or divorced parent. In Magmure, feeling that there is a fear of losing his sense of being safe and care. जैसे मैंने पहले ही आपसे बताया डिस्कस किया कि अगर मेरे माँ और बाप के पास एक तो टाइम नहीं है, दोनों जॉब कर रहे हैं, दोनों में इतना डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन है, तो वो क्या मेरी केयर करें करने वाला है? मैं यहाँ सेफ ही नहीं हूँ. मेरा फ्यूचर क्या है? द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट इज माय फ्यूचर? और द वन पेरेंट इज देयर, they have taken already divorce. Who will take care? Who will financially support me? Who will give me the best quality life, which generally are required in a young age for enjoyment, for sports, for education? All so many things are required. Who will? My mom or my dad may not have that capacity. Now, single mother or single father. Generally, single mother child have this feeling more. They crave for attention of nurturing. The first stage, they crave for attention, but they might also get very irritated if they do not get attention. They get irritated. आप दो तो अपने में ही हो, अपने आप में ही बिजी रहते हो, मेरी कोई सुनता ही नहीं है, मुझे कुछ पूछता ही नहीं है, मुझे क्या चाहिए. स्कूल से सब बच्चा आता है तो they wanted to share their emotions, but the mother is not there, father is also not there, to whom they share. And when they came at that time, they have their own frustration, so they don't have a time to listen them or to give attention. So here, again I'm revising. Children of quarreling or divorced parents have this strong feeling, either carb or either mure, more of respect, and is not appreciated in a carbonicum. They feel strongly that not worth to live, or I don't want to stay over here. So they could easily leave. उसको ऐसा लगता है अभी मुझे छोड़ दें. Here in a muraticum, they have constant fear of losing support. आज मैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड हूँ, फिर 12th में जाऊंगा, फिर कॉलेज में जाऊंगा, मुझे फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट है, मुझे मॉरल सपोर्ट है, इमोशनल सपोर्ट की जरूरत है. Then least bother. Then least bother. So that they will have a strong feeling they are not being nurtured or cared for anymore. I hope you understood this strong feeling, because this expression you will not get in a routine materia medica. As I already told you, in those days also the Kant, Hahnemann and all other scholars were told that magnesium require more proving, more understanding, and more clinical prescriptions. So muraticum, avoid confrontation, not because of, see again you have to keep in your mind that उनको आर्ग्यूमेंट पसंद नहीं है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो लोग कावर्डाइज है, वो लोग में हिम्मत नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, मगर उनकी सेंसिटिविटी इतनी ज्यादा है कि दे डोंट लाइक कन्फ्रंटेशन. मुझे पसंद नहीं है यार पेशेंट मेनी टाइम, मुझे झगड़ा पसंद नहीं है सर. ऐसा तो मैं बहुत झगड़ा कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ, मगर मुझे उससे स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, टेंशन हो जाता है, मेरी इमोशंस हर्ट हो जाती है, उसकी वजह से मैं फाइटिंग नहीं करती हूँ मेरी हस्बैंड के साथ या मैं किसी के भी साथ. सो दे वांट others to be happy and satisfied, and for they do whatever possible. They will adjust, they don't mind. So here you will be confused with pulsatil. Oh, so nice, they are adjusting, but no, they are not pulse. The sensitivity is very high that they don't like confrontation. They will suppress their own emotion for the sake of others. The basic feeling is that would disappointed by the person whom love and care he seeks. Disappointed by the person whose love and care he seeks. Cowardice नहीं है, emotional sensitivity ज्यादा है. Again after 10 minutes, maybe stop. So the breakdown to weeping, hysterical fits, or irritability and depression. They close themselves off in order to avoid being hurt. अपने आप को क्लोज कर देंगे, अपने आप को ऐसी सिचुएशन में डालेंगे कि कोई उनको हर्ट ना करे या किसी के साथ कन्फ्रंटेशन ना हो. So again, just revising in a flow chart to remember this remedy. Disappointed in love. So we generally prescribe, oh, disappointed love, Natram Yudo Ignatia. No. Cannot trust anymore. That's why the delusions is friendless. Goes out of the way to get affection because they need affection, love, recognition. And that is why they become more friendly, more helpful and mild. उनको जो बचपन में नहीं मिला है पेरेंट्स का झगड़े की वजह से, पेरेंट्स का डिफरेंस ओपिनियन की वजह से, they need, so they become more friendly, more helpful, more mild. When these efforts also not helping, efforts to gain friends fail, they become depressed, unfriendly, repulsive, and weeping stage. They become more homesick. So homesickness make mure is there 2 marks. Capsicum, Maxol, phosphoric acid quite high. That are again the total evaluations are different. Here again I like to share one case of 32 years female presented with a burning in epigastric region since 1.5 years more by oily spicy food and better by cold milk that is common, right? And cold water was associated with constipation. She loves lemon, sour, chocolates, and a aversion to milk. Bowels are constipated. She usually gets dreams of climbing and unsuccessful efforts as if stuck up in a problem. As if stuck up in a problem. She has a clairvoyance, and when she gets dreams of being stuck up, she actually gets sick the next day. By nature, very short temper, cannot express anger easily, but keeps on thinking and brooding. She has anxiety about her children's health, obviously. Aversion to crowd, feels suffocated in crowd, doesn't like to go out in a crowd, doesn't like company and prefers to be alone. Aversion to noise. Habit of dwelling on past disagreeable moments. Does not like consolation and reserve. Totality swims very close to, you must be knowing remedy. Nectarmune, right? On analyzing her case, we found that her father had died in an accident and the mother had died when she was 16 years old. After her father's death, her mother had got remarried and she was brought up by her auntie. After marriage, there was a lot of difference of opinion with the mother-in-law, and so they have separated due to many disputes. So the rubrics, common rubrics: consolation, aggravation, dwelling on past events, fear in crowd, 4-second feeling, noise averse, reserved, pain in epigastric, constipation, clairvoyant, dreams, climbing, unsuccessful efforts, chocolate desire, lemon desire, sour food desire. All the common rubrics, you can make out the remedy immediately after this totality. Phosphorus coming very high. Natrum, calcarea, sulfur, sepia, pulse, lyco, ja, sap. No. Sometimes what we take the totalities and whatever the results coming may not matches with your understanding of drug. If it is matches and you are really confident, definitely the first remedy, whatever comes, and that is a simillimum if the Matia Medica is also favoring. But sometimes you are sure that, oh, this is not a case of phosphorus. You know phosphorus very well. Phosphorus, quite communicative, quite sympathetic, and then loving persons, and all so many things are there. Here the clairvoyance is 2 marks. clairvoyance is there, then there are certain desire aversion, certain things are more favoring. That's why the phosphorus coming very high. Otherwise, you definitely prescribe Natrum muriaticum because the reserve, consolation, aggravation, dwelling on past events, quite close. Your prescription is not absolutely wrong, quite close. But then also something is really pinching you that no, this is not actually. So you have to refer your materia medica. And I gave a constitutional prescription of Megmure 200 in frequent doses. Now you will say, why? The question is why? Though on repetization, the Megmure is not highest ranking remedy, but when cross-examination, Megmure is more indicated than Natramure or Metcalf. Here I apply knowledge of materia medica with the repertory. So in every case, we could not find the exact simillimum, but we have to evaluate whole case after applying materia medica, repertory, and organ. If you learn magnesium muriaticum in keynotes, we know that it is a beautiful remedy for liver problem, but the ailments from quarrel between others, emotional vulnerability, sensitivity to confrontations, dissatisfaction, strong sense of duty. If this essence is really fitting in your patient, don't mind even the repetization result showing drug is not in a first file. Suppress emotion for the sake of others, very important. So try to adjust for the others because of the sensitivity and does not like confrontations. So she was much better, but due to an acute state of complaints, her symptoms relapsed and she had presented with extreme fear of accident and a feeling as if she was being persecuted, and she liked to keep busy, forsaken feeling. But I was sure about the medicines. I don't want to change the prescription, and I have given her 1 ml with the 2 doses, and the treatment was continued for some time. Not that also after 2 doses patient improved, quite few months more, and then after the patient became all right, and the mental state is also improved. So that was a magnesium muriaticum, and she has presented with extreme fear of accident and a feeling as if she was being persecuted. She liked to keep busy, and the forsaken feeling is strong. So I have increased potency, Megmure 1 ml, 2 doses, and the continued treatment. In between also given more doses, and the patient completely cured. Now, generalities of muriaticum. As already discussed that it's a liver remedy. We have a liver remedy, Cardus marinus, Chelidonium, Chimenthus. With the constipation, chronic liver affection and tenderness, and the pain referring to spine and epigastrium, sensitive to noise, and it is a after dinner remedy. The complaints aggravate after dinner. रात को खाना खाने के बाद सर मुझे बहुत ही हैवीनेस हो रहा है, बहुत पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, गैस हो रहा है, एब्डोमेन पेन हो रहा है, nausea हो रहा है. So it's a beautiful remedy after dinner यू शुड इंक्वायर, क्योंकि पेशेंट का है क्या बोलता है कि खाना खाने के बाद होता है, एंड वी आर नॉट दैट मच मेटिकुलस अबाउट आस्किंग वेदर ये खाना खाने के बाद मेरा लंच या डिनर या मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट. But when the patient says khana khane ke baad, when they are more concerned about in the evening time, and we will take it as a only after eating. So after eating is a common thing, but when the especially after dinner, evening time, then you should think about this remedy. Specially adapted to disease of women with long history of indigestion and uterine disease. And the leukorrhea after exercise with every stool. Every stool, very important is there. This is a beautiful rubric, leukorrhea with every stool. In the past stool, they have a leukorrhea. Magnesium mure is only remedy. So sometimes you are not able to get on a mental picture of magnesium muriaticum, but if you are getting such rubrics, you can cross retro study and you can check their mental state. You can ask childhood history and then marriage life and everything. You may get magnesium muriaticum. Reverse way also you can study and then find out remedy. Children who cannot digest milk, rachitic children's constipation, hard, large, naughty, like ships, dung, difficult to pass infants during digestion. Very common, difficult. Children with the constipations or infant with a constipation, many patients come to us. We have a lot of medicines in acute also. Alumina is there. Choline Sonia I'm using very frequently in infants and children have a constipation. But if you have in infants and children patient with a history of parents' difference of opinion, child may not tell you or not that much mature to tell each and every symptoms. You get this remedy. Silicea, definitely you can compare in a Scorpulus children. Both the remedy have a sweating on the feet and enlarged liver in the catrix and ozone. The difference lies in this Silicea patient has offensive smelling sweat, both of the feet and the hair. This is the one good distinction between two remedies, Megmure and Silicea. This is resemblance between the headaches of two remedies like Silicea and Megmure. Both have a headache and relieve by wrapping up the hair up warmly. Mercurius is similar to magnesium muriaticum in a liver affections. The mind of Maxwell is totally different. But the pathology level, both have a liver affection. So there are different mental pictures, but ultimately the pathology develops same. Cirrhosis of liver or any other liver problems. Merck distinguishes with Megmure by diarrhea with tenesmus or more exceptionally with a cream or ashy stool. So, all my dear friends, this is in a nutshell about magnesium group. Commonly, we use this all two remedies, and the one is Macphos. Mecab and Megmure still require more knowledge, experience, and more prescription to understand more on a deeper level. Can compare with other group, close group, 4-second filling, argentum nitricum. So argentum is there, pulsatilla is there, and the natrum is already discussed in the reserved suppression emotions. You can compare with the Staphylococcus aureus there. But when this history is there in childhood, recognitions and the insecurity, who will nurture, who will care, and then worried about the future, think about more magnesium. Especially it's my experience with a teenager and adolescent stage, the magnesium's prescriptions more, either carbonicum or muriaticum. So I hope you understand today's magnesiums. Myself, I am not that much using in my practice. Mag iode I have not used at all in my practice. But definitely if you have an iodatum constitution and magnesium mental picture, you can prescribe in endocrine problems. You can. So that's all regarding today's webinar. If any question, you can on your microphone and you can ask me, can discuss, or whenever you require, whenever we will have another webinar also. You can join me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you can learn from e-learning, our group, where you will get rubric interpretations, clinical tips, cases every weekly. Once or thrice in a week, you will get clinical tips of my 30 years experience. So many webinars and other material also you will learn after joining this. And you can forward to your friends also through WhatsApp number is of Dr. Sonal 9374675000. So thank you very much. If any question, you can ask me directly or see you once again any other time. Okay. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. You will get a Materia Medica A to Z. Those who are new members, we have so many Materia Medica. Only small videos will help you in your prescriptions, clinical tips, therapeutics. So please subscribe YouTube channel, Dr. Ronak Shah, and you learn and upgrade yourself. So we wind up our webinar today. Thanks for joining with me, and always welcome your suggestions, your opinions, or whatever your further any webinars require for particular topic. Also, you can share on our WhatsApp e-training program. Join e-training program, and the number is already given to you. So you will get so many things from that group. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care. Happy Sunday. Bye.